Good morning, everyone. Now here again we today discuss on some examples on the topic pair of straight lines. We totally complete the theory of the pair of straight lines. So we are discuss on the related examples. Now in first here we have find the angle between the lines represented by the following equations. Here we have some equations. We have three equations, and your question say find the angle between them. Find the angle between them. For when we factorize this, we get two lines, and this equation represents two lines. Then you should find the angle between them. Now I am going to solve. Now look here. A number. Solution. Here given equation is x square plus 5xy plus 6y square is equal to 0. Okay, and comparing with ax square plus 2hx square plus by square is equal to 0. We have now we should comparing the given equation with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. We have here what is the coefficient of x square? Here the coefficient of x square is 1, and here the coefficient of x square is 8. Therefore a is equal to 1, and here coefficient of xy is 5 and coefficient of xy is 2h. So here we have 2h is equal to 5, therefore h is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, you equating the coefficient of xy here. So what is the coefficient of xy? 5, and here coefficient of xy 2h. So 2h is equal to 5, therefore you should find the value of h from here in this way. And also we have here b is equal to 6. We have b is equal to 6. Now let theta be the angle between them. So we have tan theta is equal to formula plus minus 2 root under h square minus ab by a plus b. Now use the formula. Therefore we have tan theta is equal to plus minus 2. Here we have h represent 5 by 2. 5 by 2 square minus AB 1 into 6 by 1 plus 6. Okay, in this way you should find 2. Now factorize this. 25 here, this is into by 4 minus 6 by 7 plus minus 2. 25 minus 24 by 4, its root by 7. Here we have plus minus 25 minus 24 1, but 2 into its root is 1, its root is 2 by 7. These are cancelled, the plus minus 1 by 7. Write down here tan theta. First you should find from here the value of tan theta. Okay, write down. And from here I think you have to complete, and from here we have here both sign taking positive and negative, I'm going to take here. Otherwise, you, if it is in this form, then you direct write here theta is equal to tan inverse plus minus 1 by 7. And if you have calculator, then you find its value by using by taking positive, and you use the calculator and find the value of tan inverse 1 by 7. And then other times you take negative, then you find the value of tan inverse minus 1 by 7. Okay, in this way you solve these types of question. Okay, we complete a number. Now I am going to solve question number B. You should comparing this equation by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, and you should find here a, h and b, and then let theta be the angle between them, and use the formula tan theta is equal to plus minus 2 root under h square minus ab by a plus b, and put all the information. At last we have here tan theta is equal to plus minus 1 by 7. We have no scientific calculator, so this is your work. You take here one first times positive, then we have theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by 7. Use calculator. I think there is 128, or you solve this, okay, by taking both. Now I am going to solve B number. Now look here B number. Solution. Here given equation is x square minus 2xy sec alpha plus y square is equal to 0. Okay. How we solve? How we find the angle between them? You use same process, comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. We have a is equal to 1 and h is equal to 2 cancel. Now look here we directly write 2h is equal to minus 2. Here the coefficient of minus 2 sec alpha. You know the coefficient of xy is minus 2 sec alpha. Now look here the coefficient of xy is 2h. What is the coefficient of xy here? 2h. Here the coefficient of xy is 2h, and here coefficient of xy is also minus 2, and also you write here sec alpha, because except xy you write all they are the coefficient of xy. Okay, and here we have b is equal to 1. So from here h is equal to minus sec alpha. Now let theta be the angle between them. So we have tan theta is equal to formula plus minus 2 root under h square minus ab by h square minus ab by a plus b. The plus minus 2 we have here h square means sec square alpha minus 1 into 1 by 1 plus 1. Now I am going to erase this. Here I am going to erase this. Okay, or tan theta is equal to plus minus 2 and sec square alpha minus 1. This is tan alpha. We know the formula, and here 1 plus 1 2 cancel. Tan theta is equal to plus minus tan alpha. Okay, and in this condition we can easily write here taking positive sign, we get tan theta is equal to tan alpha, therefore theta is equal to alpha. Again taking negative, and we have here tan theta is equal to minus tan alpha. In this condition you know the formula, cast rule. It is written in the form of tan 180 degree minus alpha, because tan 180 degree minus alpha minus tan alpha, tan cancel, therefore theta is equal to 180 degree minus alpha. So from here alpha and there is 180 degree minus alpha, you write hence required angle between them is alpha and 180 degree minus alpha. You write in this way. Okay, you take both symbol, you take here both sign, positive as well as negative. When we take positive, then we have alpha. This is the angle between them, and from here you take negative, the minus tan alpha, written tan 180 degree minus alpha, tan 180 degree minus alpha minus tan alpha, and from here tan cancel, theta is equal to 180 degree minus alpha. Okay, write down. Again I am going to erase this. This is very important question, and in last there is C number. Here given equation is x square minus 6xy plus 9y square minus x plus 3y is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus dy square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, we get, and here for the angle between them we only use this much. Okay, only we use 3 steps having x square minus 6xy plus 9y square. So here we have a is equal to 1 and 2h is equal to minus 6, therefore h is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to 9. Okay, and let theta be the angle between them. So we have tan theta is equal to plus minus 2 root under h square minus ab by a plus b. Today we have only one topic, how we find the angle between them. Okay, today only we discuss on the questions related to angle between pair of lines represented by the given equations. Here we have 3 examples. We totally complete A and B. Now we are in C. Now here we have tan theta is equal to plus minus. Now put the value. What is the value of h? Minus 3. So minus 3 square minus 1 into 9 by 1 plus 9. Okay, and tan theta is equal to plus minus, here we have 2 root under 9 minus 9 by 10. And here plus minus 2, 9 minus 9, its value is 0, by 10. And tan theta is equal to, we have here plus minus 0. So this is, we easily write direct 0. Okay, therefore tan theta is equal to tan 0 degree, and also we write tan 180 degree, therefore theta is equal to 0 degree and 180 degree. Write down. Write down. In this way we solve these types of questions, and today we complete examples in which there is angle between the lines represented by the following equations. And today we complete 3 examples. Now I am going to give some homework. Okay, write down. Write down. For homework, find the angle between the lines represented by the following equations. Here we have in A number, this is your homework. 5x square plus 7xy plus 2y square is equal to 0. B number, x square minus 2xy cot alpha minus y square is equal to 0. And C number, x square minus 2 qxy minus y square is equal to 0. And B number, 33x square minus 44xy plus 11y square is equal to 0. E number, x square plus 2xy cosec alpha plus y square is equal to 0. Okay, write down. Now this is your homework. Write down, all of you. Today we complete how we find the angle between the lines represented by the following equation. For today you have only this much. Your homework is A, B, C, D, E. This is your homework, okay? And you solve these all the questions and send me by the messenger. Thank you.